Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and I'm going to show you how to make a sandwich in 60 seconds.
Okay, so here we go. First things first, get yourself a nice baguette. I got a nice crusty baguette because when you dip it in the au jus, gets a little softer, holds up really nice. Got some creamy horseradish sauce that I made myself. That's right, look how nice that is. And then the roast beef. Listen, you got to use rare roast beef. If you want it more well done, whatever, don't come to my place. Got to give a little of Ben. He was getting cranky. So was I. Now we're in a better spot. Let's get those sauteed onions that I made and put those right on top of the roast beef. Hit it with a little salt and pepper. And then we got that provolone sliced very thin. You're going to do a nice layer on top of the roast beef. Pop it in your broiler. Are we happy about this? Take a look. No doubt. Anyway, coming out the oven, all melted up. And this is the sandwich that you got. I mean, I just don't know what else to say. This is absolutely off the charts. Cut it right down the middle and you're going to have yourself a day. You know, I got to be totally frank. I amazed myself on this one. This thing came out incredible.
You ever have a great French dip sandwich out at a restaurant and think to yourself, man, I'd love to make a gourmet meal like this at home? You can. That's what this whole channel is about. Making great meals very easily in the confines of your own home. And that's another sandwich in 60 seconds. And from our house to yours, bon appetit.